Hey there and welcome to another episode of Chaps Toy Box, and right now we are going to review another Blokies unboxing, but different from the Transformer. We are going to review one of their collaboration with a certain we can say cinematic universe but originally kasi comics sila, which is Marvel MCU, and this is the Blokies Infinity Saga 3. Okay, so if you are a subscriber, or if you are watching or tuning in to my channel for a bit long, you know na medyo fan ako ng Blokies figures. So I thought na bakit hindi subukan yung ibang collaboration nila, and this particularly get my attention because most likely yung kanyang mga figures niya is parang wala kang talo. And also this is batch 3, or this is wave 3, and I haven't got any figure from wave 2 and wave 1 just because I don't feel like I'm not particularly interested on 1 and 2, and most likely I rather have the 3, yung yung mga figures niya sa 3. Parang feeling ko sa 1 ang talo. And as you can see, that this is the box. Okay, so we have here the box, and as you can see, meron tayong Marvel Studios there. Then meron tayong sticker ng Disney. So nakalagay dyan is Disney Marvel. So talagang talagang siya ay collaboration kumbaga. So on front of the box you have Iron Man, you have Thanos in the next. Tapos yung parang pseudo instruction. Okay, pero meron siya instruction pa lang sa loob. Infinity Saga at the top, and then sa baba things and characters, and then mabasa yung QR code kung gusto nyo, please call on me. And lastly, ito yung kanyang checklist. So ito yung mga makukuha natin. So we have Iron Man Mark 40, I believe, I'm not sure. Then Iron Man Mark 40 na kanilang chase figure, I believe. We have Iron Patriot, we have Groot, we have what do you call this, si Falcon, we have Winter Soldier, we have Captain America Infinity style, yung wala na sa kanya yung shield, ang gamit niya is yung Wakanda shield. Hulkbuster, Thanos, and then Raccoon. So most likely si Thor na gamit niya yung Stormbreaker is hiwalay siya, and I believe yun yung parang malaking skill nila, or yung malaking model kit nila. So yun, anyway, so I have bought again 3. You know me, okay? 3 is the lucky number, and hoping na sana makuha natin. Most likely lahat naman sila trip ko. Ang di ko lang trip dito is si Groot tsaka si Rocket. Pero with my luck, if you already watch my reviews or my unboxing, I always get those na hindi ko gusto. But that's how it is. So I'm not really excited for Rocket and Groot, and I'm much more excited ako for Thanos and Captain America. Okay, so anyway, let's open our first box. So we have here this and this. Wala siyang pugs. Tsaka nakahiwalay yung kanyang stand. Differently, nakahiwalay yung stand niya. Most likely, kasama dapat ito dun sa box. And I have one box only. I have the instruction. So, kamukha ng mga previous instruction on the Transformer reviews natin. Lahat sila nakalagay dito. So, we have Iron Man, how to put Iron Man, Hulkbuster, Rocket, then sa likod, and si Patriot, si IP, si WS Winter Soldier, si Bucky, si Captain America, tsaka si Groot. So it's Falcon yan. Most likely magkakamukha lang naman sila. Tapos si Thanos. So let's put that there. We have the box. Kasi sino ang makukuha natin. And bam. Parang alam ko na kung sino to. Medyo maganda to. Anyway, with magic of editing, I'll see you later. And we're back. And our first figure is Iron Patriot, as you can see. Ayan. So meron siyang mga effects nakasama, parts nakasama. And unlike our what do you call this, Transformers na meron siyang Tex and Pogs. They have somewhat movie ticket. Meron siyang movie ticket, manipis lang, maliit kumpara sa mga Tex. And as you can see, Iron, Patriot, Marvel Studios, QR code, please scan on me. At sa likod, walay. Ayan. Now, paunawa lang, or cautions lang sa mga gustong bumili ng build na ito. Make sure na you look at instruction. Kasi may mga, pag binuhos mo siya, or pag nakita mo yung parts, it's like na alam mo yung gagawin mo. Pero kung may mga parts dito na compatible in every part, or parang compatible siya, for example, on the arms or on the legs, pero specifically made siya para sa knees, parang ganun. So, kapag nakabit nyo na kasi yung mga joints na yun, ang hirap nyong alisin. Let my fingernails tell you. Ayan. Let my fingernails tell you the story. Kasi nagkamali ako ng kabit and ang hirap niyang alisin. Totally. With the magic of editing, hindi nyo mararamdaman yung tagal. But it took me a really number of minutes to fix this. But anyway, this is Iron Patriot, as you can see. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman kanyang head sculpt and ang kanyang tawag ito, details is very very nice. So again, meron siyang blush compatible, sabi nga ni Emgo. Meron siyang mga blush parts na pwede mong kabit. Meron din siyang extra arms. Ayan, so yung isa is yung naka repulsor arm, yung isa naman is yung kanyang steady arm, idle arm. Meron din siyang extra joint para sa kanyang waist. And for the articulation, meron siyang head articulation in a ball joint, shoulder in a ball joint. So marami kayong figures, marami kayong ways na pwedeng i-post ng taong to or itong figure na to. Meron siyang elbow articulation, meron siyang wrist articulation, or you can twist yung wrist niya. Meron siyang blues, meron siyang waist articulation, as you can see. Meron siyang pwedeng turn, ayan. Meron siyang ball joint sa kanyang hita, you can kick that far, you can kick back that far. Meron siyang knees articulation, double jointed, so astig yung kanyang knee joints, pwede nyong i-push siya ng running something, ayan. And then meron din siyang ankle articulation. At the same time, meron siyang cannon articulation, yung shoulder cannon niya. So you can come up with different kind of poses for this guy. Ayan. So for me, this is quite a good figure if you are a fan of Marvel. I recommend na kumuha kayo ng isang ganito. Kumuha kayo ng Blockies figure because it really is a good figure all in all. Now, I believe pwede natin ikabit to rito in some way to give the effect. Ay, hindi siya pwede. Oh, that's too bad. So, talagang pang kamay lang siya. Maganda sana kung pwede siyang ikabit dito sa ano, kasi meron siyang pego. Ayun. Kaya lang, meron siyang slot. Kaya lang yung peg nung kanyang blush particle is a bit too large for that. Ayan, hindi pwede. Anyway, yeah. Pwede nyo naman gawin is lagyan na lang siya dito like ganyan, tapos yung isang kamay, diba? But anyway, that's how it is. Yan. So our first figure is Iron Patriot. That took me really number of a very long time to build. Sana yung mga next is medyo madali na i-build natin. Anyway, so put him in the side and let's go on our next box. Okay, next box. Then we have our instructions. Kung napansin nyo, nakahanda na yung instruction ko dito. Tapos, ang hirap nyo talaga, promise. Anyway, let's open the box, our blind box. Ano ang nakuha natin? Ang nakuha natin, oy! I think this is one of the one that I want to get. Anyway, and we're back. And our second figure, my dude, is the Falcon. So, ayan. So, si Sam Wilson. And here is his movie ticket. And as you can see, Falcon. Then QR code, Marvel Studios, wala. Okay, QR code. Scan on me. Okay. Now, this figure is one of the best figure for me na ginawa ng Blockies. Simply because yung wings niya is articulated. Look at that. There are articulation on the wings. You can recreate yung kanyang although hindi cover talaga, pero you can recreate yung kanyang somewhat shield wings. Then, yes, yet again, kailangan medyo maingat kayo kasi yung joints minsan natanggal yung mga wings niya. But still, look at that. Ball joints wings. Yan, no? As you can see, meron siyang hinges and ball joints. Then sa shoulder niya meron din ball joints. Then let's look at the face, the head sculpt. As you can see, yan, Sam Wilson talaga. I hope na Winter Soldier makuha nating next. Then the details, ayan, yung mga texture, it's there, kapatid. They even went their way to create or to mold this. Ito yung parang side skirt niya, lagayan niya ng baril. Look at that. Oh, flake. Unfortunately, isa lang yung fist niya. Ito lang, itong close fist lang. But still, dude, you can recreate things like this, oh. Like the flying falcon stance, or yung ano siya. Sayang lang wala siyang baril, pero I can live with that. Ayan. So same ng articulation with Iron Patriot kanina. Although yung additional nga niya is yung wings. Ayan. So that is the Falcon. Man, medyo mahihirapan silang itap to on my actually yung kanyang mga joints, yung joints ni Iron Patriot same kay Falcon, so you can swap the head and make palabasin kasi kunwari si Falcon yung Iron Patriot, you can do that. Playability is there. Anyway, so we are on our last box. So far so good. Again, the stand and the suction. Ito, meron tayong ganito silica. Okay, let's sponsor. Anyway, let's open. Tignan natin. And last figure. Pop. Oh, humabol pa. But it's okay. We know naman it's Groot. Ayan. So si Groot, bubitikat. So I'll be fixing Groot, and then we're gonna see each other again. After a few seconds. And we're back. So ang ating last figure is si Groot. Ayan. So si Groot, as I said before, mentioned before, hindi ako medyo excited for Groot or for Rocket. And it's a simple figure. Okay. Unlike kay Patriot, kay IP, tsaka kay Sam Wilson or kay Falcon, Groot is somewhat parang basic, super basic niya. So anyway, here is a look at his head sculpt, but still the head sculpt is quite nice. And pati yung kanyang eyes, kung bibigyan tayo ng pagkakataon to focus, ayan, may buhay talaga. And then he has this molded texture and paints na parang vines and moss. Ayan. So yan, I think naman nabuo ko siya ng tama. I'm not sure, nabuo ba siya ng tama? Parang naman. Okay, so I guess baliktad nga siya kanina. So this is the this is the shoulder and the arms, and then this is the legs. So nagkaroon siya ng medyo mas mataas. Okay, mas matangkad siya tingnan, but still it's Groot. Okay, so wala siyang extra arms, pero meron siyang unique set unique hand na medyo mahaba, na parang Freddy Krueger ang style niya, because we know na sa Guardian of the Galaxy ata ginagamit niya mostly yung hands niya for attacking. And ang di ko maintindihan is, since this is Infinity Saga, which is based on the Infinity War arc ng Avengers, matangkad si Groot. Ito yung Groot na alam nating adult form niya dun sa Guardian of the Galaxy 1, kasi alam natin medyo teenager siya dun sa Infinity War, diba? So yeah, so anyway, that is Groot. So same articulation with the rest of the figures. And balik natin yung ating mga kaibigan. So we have here Falcon. Medyo magkulo yung aking setup. Ayan, sorry, pagsasya nyo na. Falcon here. And we have our Iron Patriot. Ayan. So there you go. Our three heroes side by side. So far, what I can say with the figure, it's worth it. It's worth the buy. I'm not sure if kasi again, batch 2 and 1 or wave 2 and 1 is kinda not exciting for me. But if you want to check it out, you can go ahead and check it out. I believe 1 nandun yung Iron Man Mark 1 armor, and yung Iron Man Mark 2 armor, and then si Loki ata and Thor nandun. So wave 2 naman, nandun naman si Spider-Man. I see Spider-Man, which is that's wearing the Iron Spider, and I believe Thanos then with the armor. But again, by the end of the day, this is my personal opinion, and my opinion might be different from what you think. But that is it for today's episode. Thank you very much for watching, and always remember that on every toy collector is a child who never stops dreaming. Ayan. So happy collecting, happy hunting, peace!